Inmuebles Antioquia, your strategic partner in real estate investments. With over 17 years of experience in the real estate market, Inmuebles Antioquia has become one of the most trusted and prominent companies in the region. Our focus is on providing professional and personalized advice to each client with a clear vision toward quality and success in every transaction. The company is led by Juan Cardona, a real estate advisor certified by the Lonja de Medellín, recognized for his ethics, seriousness, and commitment to the development of the real estate sector in Antioquia. Services and types of properties. In Inmuebles Antioquia, we offer a wide variety of properties to meet the needs and expectations of our clients. The types of properties we manage include apartments, from modern apartments in downtown Medellín to options in peaceful suburban areas of the city. Houses, family homes in residential areas with high growth potential. Farms, land and farms in the Oriente Antioqueño, ideal for those looking for a larger space in contact with nature. Commercial properties, ideal spaces for investors seeking profitability through commercial establishments. Development projects, investment opportunities in new real estate developments with high appreciation potential. Benefits of Inmuebles Antioquia, personalized and professional advisory. Every client receives tailored service with dedicated attention and full support throughout the process of buying, selling, or renting properties. Transparency and ethics. We are known for our integrity in all transactions. The leader of the company ensures that every process is clear, ethical, and free from surprises for our clients. Access to high-quality properties. Our portfolio includes properties carefully selected to meet high standards of quality and offer an attractive appreciation potential. In-depth knowledge of the local market. With extensive experience and expertise in the real estate market of Medellín and its surroundings, we are able to identify the best opportunities and offer advice based on updated information. Innovation in real estate sales. We use virtual reality, VR technology, as a cutting-edge tool to allow our clients to take virtual tours of properties without the need to travel. This enables them to get a comprehensive view of the spaces, make more informed choices, and save time. Safe and profitable investments. We offer investment opportunities that ensure not only profitability, but also security and reliability in every real estate transaction. Virtual reality in real estate. The future of the real estate experience, virtual. Reality, VR technology, has transformed the real estate market, and at Inmuebles Antioquia, we have integrated it as a key tool to enhance our clients' experience. With our 3D Virtual Tours platform, buyers can explore properties immersively from the comfort of their homes. This allows them to view property details, tour every corner, and make informed decisions without physically visiting. The main benefits of virtual reality in the real estate sector include time saving. Clients can visit multiple properties quickly and without having to travel. Better decision making. The ability to explore a property in detail before physically visiting it makes the decision-making process much more informed and accurate. Accessibility. Clients can access properties at any time and from anywhere, with no limitations on schedule or location. Increased accuracy and choice. Virtual tours allow buyers to get a clear view of the property's design, layout, and condition, minimizing uncertainty. Conclusion. Inmuebles Antioquia is more than just a real estate agency. We are your strategic partner in the real estate market. With 17 years of experience, a dedicated team, and the leadership of Juan Cardona, a certified real estate advisor from the Lonja de Medellín, we ensure quality advisory and a transparent process for all transactions. Thanks to our innovation with tools like virtual reality, we provide a unique and personalized buying experience, ensuring that every client makes informed and secure decisions. If you're looking to invest in the real estate market in Antioquia, don't hesitate to contact us. We're ready to help you find the ideal property.